Good day everyone. So we have a laptop to fix. This laptop is coming from a local customer who is a student at a local polytech, and it's Dell Latitude E6430. According to the customer explanation, he said the laptop died due to water damage. So the laptop is not powering on, it's just a dead laptop. Without wasting time, let's play with the power supply. 19 volts, 3.5 amps, which is fine when we are dealing with laptops. So here we have the power supply. This is the Dell big pin. Plug in the power supply here. It's taking 16 milliamps, which I think is the right one. And this LED is just on, but based on the current consumption, the laptop is not on. This LED for the power on switch is just on by itself, but the laptop actually is off. Dell Latitude E6450. So let's see. We want to see the intensity of this water damage inside this laptop, because that is the information at the end that I received from the customer. And I can't even take out the screws. So let me open the laptop and then we'll check together. So that's the motherboard here. We do have the PCH here. We have the processor. There with the GPU inside. We have DDR PC3L, DDR3 4GB RAM, charging port, some MOSFETs, some cores. We have some MOSFETs, output capacitor for the CPU. There's the vehicle section. More coils, more power supply. What we are looking some sign of water damage here. There's some little sign, and here on this connector. On the other side, components, they are covered with this plastic thing, and the board looks clean from the other side. So let's go on a microscope. Let's have a look here. On this ground, there is some sign, and on this connector also, this connector, this resistor, this capacitor. Let's clean. Before we can check some voltages, I think we have to clean here and here. And here. We are just cleaning. But the water damage is not that intense. So there are some possibility that we can bring this motherboard back to life. Huh? I think we can. I think we can. I need I need my flask here just to insulate this area. We are insulating components against corrosion. You know, when components have been affected by water damage, it is the right process to insulate the components so that they won't have corrosion. Under the RAM slot, we don't have anything there. So otherwise the board looks fine. And I can see some rice particles. I don't know people who told people that by putting on rice you can bring back the device to life. Check here. If we take this plastic thing, you can see those grains of rice. Huh? The customer was fighting to bring his device to life. But in this case, the rice did not help. Huh? You see those grains of rice? So this is the belief with people that if we put rice on a water damaged device, you can bring it to life. But when water damages the device, there are some components which need to be cleaned. So I don't think we can win by just putting a device inside rice. Uh, so the screen and have a look. What do we have here? I just want to see if we have a working motherboard or not. Let's connect here. How I can do it just to see if we have anything on the screen. We need the power supply. Just to see if we have anything on the screen. Pressing, it's taking 700. Back to 0. Because we reset the BIOS. We have light. What about log? Maybe it's trying to detect the operating system. And we have Dell log. So this laptop is working fine. So yeah, that's the story. If you have such kind of laptop is not coming on due to water damage, any slight drop of water damage can kill the motherboard. So the laptop is working fine. You can see some writings. There's no hard drive. I'm sure the keyboard is working. So yeah, that was the story with this repair. So I would say Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And if you have anything that you don't understand or you wish to know, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll answer you on the next replay. Bye.